What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you guys. And today we have something a little special for you. Today we got a unboxing of the Tt02d drift chassis, the Nismo Copper Silvia. This thing is pretty sick. As you guys may know, or if you're new to the channel, we do a lot of car culture, a lot of premium collectibles and hobby stuff. Sometimes we do reviews, but like I try not to review anything I don't really want to recommend to you guys. But in car culture, there's only a couple things that really get me excited, and drifting is definitely one of those. And I have a little bit of downtime, as a lot of car guys, when they have some downtime from their vehicle, they like to do hobbies car related. And definitely I'm excited to do this RC car, because I've never had a hobby grade RC car before, so it's definitely going to be an exciting experience for me and my wife. We definitely love drifting. We love 240s. We have a Project 240 already in the garage that we're working on, trying to bring back to working condition. But without further ado, let's go over some of the details on here. Yeah, this is the Tamiya Tt02 drift chassis. Really sick. I did some research, and this is a really, I guess, reputable brand. It's got a lot of really cool stuff. It's got bearings and a couple other things upgraded on its stock out the box. It doesn't include a battery or remote, but I'll be able to source that somewhere else, probably with a good budget. It's got a lot of details that a regular car has, and that's one of the main reasons I'm really excited about this build. There we go. It's a good look at the box. A lot of it is in Japanese, the other half's in English, so hopefully the instructions, I'll be able to figure them out. If all else, I'll use a translator in the instructions if I have to. But it's a 1/10 scale remote control car. Here's some of the stickers it comes with. Super sick. Love the Nismo and the Silvia. Classic, bro. Nice. It's got headlights and taillight stickers in case you don't want to use the ones in the kit. But this kit, from what I've from reading and doing some research, has headlights and taillights and some other cool little details and stuff. Really cool. Let's see if I can get that on film for you guys. Oh, little Nismo decals down there. That's awesome. Like Advan raised wheels. Cool. Super nice. And some of the instructions. Cool. Super cool. On how to paint the shell and prep the shell. Some instructions on how to do that. Some sticker layout or decal layout for the livery. Details for that. Cool. And here it is, the new Bible for my remote control car. I'll be studying this and going through all the things that I need to do for this. Oh shit. Wow. Super detailed, man. Just like a real car. It's awesome. Super nice. And here's a parts tree. Some of the parts trees. Let's see if I can recognize some of these parts. Looks like engine mounts and stuff. Some protection for that. Oh, here's the wing. There's the wing for the car. And side mirrors. Cool. Cool. Oh yeah, the rims, the stock set of rims. Look like some BBS's or something. Pretty cool. Nice. And here's the wheels that come with it. Cool. Like, they're pretty hard. They're not easy to squeeze. Like, yeah, pretty hard. And here's the shell. The mother load. Let's see here. Get a better view for you guys. Definitely pretty cool. Love that silhouette. Has the classic Silvia silhouette. Like, so nice. Like, dude, that's so cool. Dude, this is gonna be my first time doing this, so it's either gonna come out really great or really sucky. Let's see, what do we got here? Okay, we got the brake calipers. There's like the plastic brakes. See, more parts I don't recognize from the parts tree. I'm sure as I go I'll definitely learn a lot about this. Here's the headlights and taillights. Awesome. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's supposed to be some LEDs that I should be able to plug into this and it'll light up just like a regular car. It should be pretty neat. What do we got here? We have the engine, it looks like. Some other parts. Let's pop it open and take a quick look. What do we got here? Wow. Looks pretty important. And clips. Yeah, clips. Oh. And then to help with the engine and the heat. Let's see, now the engine. Yeah, sick. Okay, I thought it was bent for a second. It's just a piece of rubber protecting it. Alright, cool. Sport tuned. Okay. I heard this is a decent motor to start with. But it comes all-wheel drive, fun fact. It's all-wheel drive setup. I'm going to be changing it to strictly rear-wheel drive with a angle kit probably in the near future. But I'm going to try to run it with, run it stock to see how it drives and upgrade it slowly as I go. So if you guys are interested in seeing the evolution of this build, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to try to record as much as I can on the process because I'm really excited and this is my first hobby grade build. Yeah, I don't know what these look like. Drive shaft parts possibly. Looks pretty important. We've got grease and bearings. Let's see. Yeah, these are the bearings for the kit. The upgraded parts that they were talking about online, which is really cool. Super cool. Oh shit. Some springs. Looks like oil for the shocks. Is you have to actually put in the oil for the dampening of the little shocks. Zip ties, like drifter's best friend. And some more pretty cool parts. Okay, let's get all that back in the bag before I lose anything. Let's check out, oh, here we go, the chassis. Wow, super cool. That's cool. Like, that's dope. Love that. Seems pretty high quality, nice and thick. Pretty excited about that. Let's see. Looks like the front bumper, the rear bumper on this parts tree. Looks like some arms for the steering. Really nice, really nice. Definitely important for, looks like all the steering parts, like the steering on this tree. Sick. Let's see here. Oh, some more parts for the wheels, and it looks like the drive shaft on this parts tree. Like, I don't know about it being plastic, how balanced it would be. I'm definitely probably gonna upgrade this. Like, I don't trust the plastic drive shaft. Like, maybe if it was carbon fiber, aluminum, but yeah, like, I don't know. This is pretty cool. Like, this looks like maybe it might be a bumper for some protection. Pretty dense, pretty cool. Alright, it looks like about all the parts. Oh, this thing, the antenna. Nice. Alright guys, I think that's going to be about it for the parts. But if you're interested in seeing the progress of this build, I'm going to be doing like a step-by-step as I build it. Like, I don't know if you guys are into RC stuff. If you made it this far in the video, it seems like you might be. Or any type of premium car content like car shows and car contests, stuff like that. And sometimes even going out to the racetrack and collectibles like Hot Wheels and mini car models. Definitely give us our other videos a try, and I worked really hard on them, and they're they're definitely a lot of fun. So if you get bored, check it out. But if you guys want to see some more RC car content, definitely check out the progress on this. I want to be sharing it with you guys as my garage grows, and who knows, maybe if this build goes well, I might have some other RC cars here in the future. But I got a little bit of downtime, like I was saying before in the beginning, so I'm going to be definitely putting some time into this soon here, so stay tuned for that. But until next time, stay safe out there. Later, guys.